So today I'll be teaching you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First thing you'll need is 2 pieces of bread, and you'll need to get peanut butter.
Go on each side. You want to spray that really good?
Next, you're going to take your jelly, the essentials.
I'm going to put a little bit on this side and a little on this side.
After you put your jelly on, you're going to take Southwest Chipotle sauce. Once you've got your Chipotle sauce on there, you're going to take Louisiana
Hot sauce.
For the final ingredient of your peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you're going to take some good ranch. For the final step of your peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you're just going to put it together. And that is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.